You're good. Perfect.
What's going on, fellas? I am back. We are back. Today we got the CRX back in here again. We're going to be doing rag and pinion on his bad mama Jama. This thing wobbles like a cripple in a wheelchair. I'll Vicodin. So we need to get that sorted so I can go straight without the... You get me? So we're going to crank that out real quick, and then we're back on the road. You got a measuring tape? Nut right there.
Why?
What you mean why?
No, that's it, bro.
No, brother. All the videos, they have the nuts here.
Yeah, that is not.
You're right. Maybe the grease
That-
kind of decept me. I see.
Yeah, that nut.
I see the nuts now, brother. You got a 19 wrench?
19 wrench. It's recording, by the way.
I know.
Yeah, just yeah.
Nah, maybe this is a little too big. I ain't gonna hold you.
All right. 15, 16. I'm horrible with these fractions, bro.
Bro, I don't do fractions. I'm metric.
13, 15? That might be too small,
Creasing on
bro.
my pants, man. Too small.
Santivana?
Brother, it's too small.
13, 16?
I'm fucking...
Dude, we're just whipping them all out as they
Too
go,
small.
bro. Gonna go? Yeah. What I say, right? Come on.
leg strength on that bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
You feel me, twin?
Explain to the people what we just did there and what we're gonna repeat right here.
We gonna take the motherfucking dang on the dang, you turn the dang off this thing, and then we poke the dang on that thing, and once you get this thing, you take that dang out, you wanna screw that dang, you wanna screw this thing, and the thing come out.
Cut. All right, so right now what James is doing is we're gonna be taking these outer tie rods out. Before you loosen the bolt, we probably recommend you what James is doing right now without hurting himself. So the tool right there is a ball joint separator. It's recommended for this job. A lot of people that have done plenty of these before, sometimes just use a hammer, give a little tap skis. Sometimes if they are a bit stubborn, you do want this tool. It helps out a lot.
Especially with the older cars, because these parts normally don't get replaced too frequently, so they seize up. So it definitely makes life significantly easier.
Focus.
That ain't supposed to be like that, brother.
That's beautiful.
You can feel the ribs on it. It's girthy.
What did he say? All right, guys. At this point, outer tie rods are out, so we are gonna time lapse this section because, to be completely honest, not sure exactly how to take out this rack and pinion. We might have to watch a YouTube video or two. So gonna time lapse this, and then we'll explain later. Jimbo bought went to Harbor Freight.
This is what we were talking about earlier. Realistically, we only use this one, but you know, rather have more than less. This is only about $100. Build quality on it was actually surprisingly pretty up there. I'm impressed. So shout out to Harbor Freight and Maddox for that. Cute little icon kit, a 1/4 modular set. Just leave it in the car. We're gonna crank it open for the first time right here, see what we got. I'm liking that box, first and foremost. General service kit.
Brother,
that is mint.
dude, that is a clean set right there.
Ooh, those are in there too.
Oh, they're snug?
Snug like a glove.
Oh, you can take them out like that. No way. Oh, so you can just throw it in your toolbox like that, bro.
Brother, this is mint.
That's nice.
All right, so we're gonna give these a spin, dealing with the steering column, and we'll get back to you on that. Damn,
Yeah, dude, that's a beautiful kit.
I like that.
So first on the inside over here, you want to pop off this U-joint. Right here. We took it out right there. It goes in right there through the firewall on the bottom. You pop it off, 210 mils, easy. You hit the 4 bolts at the bottom that hold the actual rack and pinion in. And then you just mess around with it, try to get some angles. It is a very tight squeeze to pull it out of here. We found that on the passenger side, if you have someone lifting upward while someone on the right side is pulling down and trying to angle it outward, that it comes out a lot easier. Next thing is going to be redoing everything we just did, installing this bad boy. So very simple setup, very easy.
It's a
Let's
Honda,
get
baby. All right, so good news, bad news, fellas. Good news is it is in the car. Bad news, we had to do a little bit of tinkering. So with the OEM, or per se the one that was already on the car, the new piece was actually about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch taller. So what we had to do to get the new piece into the car is we had to disconnect the inner tire rod from the new system. My man Dom over here took that apart for us. Once we got that disconnected, we were able to get it back in the car, reassembled the inner tire rod, got that all chef's kiss, got it into the car. Now we just got to put the outer tire rods in. Once we do that, we are shmunyon. We just got to get a little bit of a street tune going. Not street tune, street alignment. Get that relatively straight so we can at least get this home or to an alignment shop. But at this point, we are literally 90% done. New one's in, old one's old, as you can see. Man, I don't know what to tell you. We might have hit a few potholes or hit a corner a little too hard too many times.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for today. Steering rack and pinion is in. Tie rods are aligned-ish, jerry-rigged, but it looks pretty straight. We took a string to the back wheel, so it looks pretty on the money. So James did a real good counting of the threads on that one. And that's pretty much it. Steering rack's in, super happy. He's gonna get home. It's getting late. We're calling it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make your dreams possible, boys. Peace.